Consider one more program, main int star I. So main is a compulsory function. Now int star I, so address of int star j, address of j, that means now int star fun, address of fun function. Now j is equal to fun, that is function. Printf slash n percent d comma star j, that is address of j. Slash n is written for going to next line. Now int star function int k is equal to 35, return ampersand k. Here we are returning an address of k from function, that is fun, and collecting it in j. Thus j becomes pointer to k. Then using this pointer we are printing value of k. Then using this pointer we are this correctly prints out as 35. So value of k is 35. So this is correctly being printed out as 35. Now try calling any function, even printf, immediately after the call to function. This time printf prints a garbage value. So this time printf is printing a random value. Why does this happen? In first case, when the control returned from that is function fun through k went dead, it was still left on stack. We then accessed this value using its address that was collected in j. But when we precede the call to printf by a call to any other function, the stack is now changed. Hence we get a garbage value, that is random value. If we want to get a correct value each time, then we must declare k as a static. By doing this, when control returns from function fun, k would not die. All this have been said. A word of advice. So there is a word of advice, that is avoid using static variables unless you really need them. Because so you can avoid using static variables also, because their values are kept in memory when variables are not active. So values of static variables are kept in memory when variables are not active, which means they take up space in memory. So they take space in memory that could otherwise be used as other variables. So use static variables only if you need them, really, if you really need them.